Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find a specific tournament on the Pokerstars app. I'm using computer here, so what you want to do is go over to Tools and then go over to Find, this tab right here, and then it shows you a player, a Team Pokerstars Pro, or a tournament. So select that one, and then you must have the correct tournament ID. Let's just say, for example, you saw online, you wanted to enter this tournament if they have provided the exact tournament ID. It's a long string of characters. You can basically type it in there and then it will show you the exact tournament. So I've copy and pasted a tournament ID. I'm going to copy and paste it into this box right here, and then as soon as I submit, it should bring up the registration page. And there we go, we've got the correct tournament ID. It's listed up here as well, the ID. And then what you can do, this Bounty Builder $3.30 turbo, you can register and it will basically give you a spot at this table or in this tournament. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks.